Have you ever felt that sinking feeling when you realize your money is gone? Imagine waking up one morning to discover your entire life savings wiped out. Sounds like a nightmare, right? But for many people, it's a harsh reality. This is why the security of your bank is paramount. Today, we're diving deep into Relay Bank. Can you trust their security? Let's find out. First things first, let's talk about what makes a bank secure. It's more than just a fancy building with armed guards. A truly secure bank is one that prioritizes technology, employs skilled cybersecurity experts, and follows stringent regulations. But what about Relay Bank? How do they stack up? Relay Bank has been around for time period. They've grown rapidly, attracting a large customer base. With growth comes scrutiny. So, what measures has Relay Bank put in place to safeguard your money? Let's break it down. Security measures. Encryption. This is the first line of defense. It's like scrambling a message so only the intended recipient can understand it. A strong encryption system makes it incredibly difficult for hackers to intercept your data. Does Relay Bank use robust encryption? We'll delve into that. Firewalls. Imagine a firewall as a digital gatekeeper. It protects your computer or network from unauthorized access. How strong is Relay Bank's firewall? We'll examine their security infrastructure. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring two forms of identification. It's like having a physical key and a password. Does Relay Bank offer 2FA? And how user-friendly is it? Fraud detection. Banks use sophisticated systems to identify suspicious activities. How effective is Relay Bank's fraud detection system? We'll look at real-life examples and customer experiences. Physical security. While we focus on digital security, physical security is also crucial. How secure are Relay Bank's branches and data centers? We'll assess their physical protection measures. Real-world incidents. No bank is immune to security breaches. The real test of a bank's security is how they handle incidents. Has Relay Bank faced any major security breaches? If so, how did they respond? We'll analyze past incidents and the bank's actions. Customer reviews and complaints. What do Relay Bank customers say about their security? Online reviews can provide valuable insights. We'll scour the internet for customer feedback on security-related issues. Expert opinions. To get a comprehensive view, we'll consult cybersecurity experts. They can provide professional insights into Relay Bank's security measures and industry standards. Comparison with competitors. How does Relay Bank's security compare to other major banks? We'll conduct a comparative analysis to see where Relay Bank stands in the industry. Conclusion. So, can you trust Relay Bank's security? Based on our investigation, conclusive statement. Remember, no bank is completely risk-free. It's essential to take personal security measures like using strong passwords, being cautious of phishing attempts, and regularly monitoring your accounts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Possible additional sections, depending on research findings. Deep dive into specific security features, explore advanced security technologies used by Relay Bank, such as biometric authentication, behavioral analytics, or blockchain. Interview with a Relay Bank security expert, gain first-hand insights into the bank's security protocols and future plans. Case studies of successful fraud prevention highlight instances where Relay Bank's security measures thwarted cyber attacks. Remember, throughout the video, use engaging visuals, graphics, and animations to illustrate complex security concepts. Keep the tone informative and objective while also being relatable to the average viewer.